Hi guys, and welcome to another video. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I'm Mommy Sam Pigleta and I'm a mommy vlogger and blogger. Don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts. I'll put it down below and flash it here as well. Okay, so for today, we're going to do an unboxing of this huge box from Urban Kitchen. Excited ako. Guys, kung ano laman nito. So, unbox with me and let's check it out kung ano ang nasa loob. Super laki niya, guys. Okay, wait. Atras natin ng konti. This is from Urban Kitchen, as you can see here. And I'm so excited to see what's inside. Wow! This is super sweet! Medyo na teary-eyed ako. May nakalagay talagang name ko. Thank you to Mommy Samantha Ocampo. I super appreciate this. Look, oh. Na-touch ako ng sobra. It says here, your everyday home solution. Oh. So, they're 20 years na. Okay, so follow them on their social media accounts. I'll flash it here. This is from Urban Kitchen Philippines or Urban Kitchen PH. Then they have a shop at Lazada and also Shopee. Okay. Okay, so let's see what's inside. Wow! Oh my gosh! My cooking heart. My cooking heart. Okay, so this is from Urban Kitchen. I love it. Wow, thank you so much. This large square server. And the next one we have another size. Wow, okay. This is the rectangular server. I'm so happy. Thank you so much. And the next one we have another size. Rectangular server. I believe they're the same. Are they the same? Yeah, they're the same. I'm so excited. Syempre, di ba, mahilig tayo magluto. Tapos gusto ko maganda yung pinaglalagyan ko ng mga pagkain. Every time I do shoots and every time I cook mga food and gusto ko presentable naman yung pinaglalagyan ko. Pagpipicturean ko na siya or magvi-video ako. Thank you so much. So this is the oval server here. You can see. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Thank you so much. Okay. And then next we have, oh, madami pang items dito sa loob. Oh my God. Okay. So we have here a canister. Classic cylindrical canister from Urban Kitchen 2 here. And then we have another canister. This is a smaller one. Ayan. Ay, sorry. Ayan. Can you see it? Ayan. Wow! Look at this one. So, meron na tayong mga canisters na ganito. Then, it's the same on the other one. Ayan. Excited na ako. Nakakatuwa. Thank you so much, Urban Kitchen. I'm so happy. Okay, we have here a tumbler with straw from Urban Kitchen 2. Here, let's see what's inside. Oh, yay! Thank you! It's a metal straw. Thank you so much. So, kapag nagla-live tayo or nagva-vlog tayo, ay napapagod tayo, diba? Very perfect. Thank you! You know. Wow, thank you so much. Okay, we have 2 of those that was sent here. Ayan, this one. Okay, so we have 2. And then, we have, ang dami pang box dito, guys. Seriously. Thank you so much. So, pitcher and tumbler set. Wow! Thank you so much, Urban Kitchen. Look ko, parang feeling ko birthday ko or feeling ko kakakasal lang namin ng asawa ko at nakatanggap ako ng isang malaking box na ganito. Thank you! Ayan, from Urban Kitchen. Okay, so meron tayong naka-box pa. Oh! This is for Skylar. Wow! Wait. Wow, Frozen! Magiging super happy to si Sky, promise. Matutuwa siya sa kakainan niya. Wow, thank you so much. This is from Melawares. This is Melawares Kids. Wow, thank you. Look, oh. Na-excite ako pakita kay Sky to. OMG! May katerno siyang spoon and forks. Wow, it's Elsa. Look, oh. So, we have here a bowl din. Ayan. We have another box and let's see what's inside. Oh, wow! Another set yata to. Wait lang. That's Elsa kanina. And this is Sophia the First! Napasigaw pa ako, diba? Wow! Thank you! Yay! The last box here. Wow, ang nice naman. Okay, so, meron na akong mga plates na gagamitin for my shoots. Wow! Look, ang ganda ng design. I love it. I love it. Look. There. Oh. Simple lang siya. Gusto ko yung mga ganyan, yung mga simple lang yung design. Very classic and pwede siya over the years kahit tumagal na. Yung design na to will hindi mawawala sa uso. So, we have yung terno niya na mugs. Ayan. Very nice. Thank you. Yeah. And then, we also have yung mga smaller versions ng plates niya. Ayan. The smaller versions. Para terno-terno lahat. Ayan siya. I love it. I love, super love the design. Thank you so much. And then, there's a smaller one. Mas smaller bowl siya. So, these are the products that were given to us by Melaware and Urban Kitchen PH. Super appreciated. Of course, I'll be featuring all of your products whenever I get the chance to do so on my cooking and also on my lives. Super thank you so much. I can present this on my live too because I'm doing Lazada lives. And I'd be more than happy to share this or present this or show this to all of them. Thank you so much. So that's it for this unboxing video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, click the thumbs up button and don't forget to click on the subscribe so you can be notified on also the bell button so you can be notified on my uploads. Ayun. Don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts. It's Mommy Sampigleta on Instagram and also on YouTube and Facebook page. I'll flash it here. Ayan. Ayun. So, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed and I really had fun unboxing all of this and my heart is so full. Thank you so much. Urban Kitchen and Melawares. Urban Kitchen PH and Melawares. Thank you so much. Bye. Stay safe, guys. Bye.